I just opened this guy out of the box, and I'm not going to do an open box video because I'm sure you guys have already seen a bunch of these. The chassis doesn't even bother. It isn't even what I'm interested in. What I want to talk about is what I'm going to do with this body here. And as I went over earlier, I want to go over some of these lights. I got a couple over here, and a couple over here. Set this down. Okay. These are the lights I'm going to use. I've showed you how big these bulbs are. If you look at this, you can get all this stuff at rclighthouse.com. I'm probably going to be doing, my buddy wants a bunch of reds to go in here, but I want to show you how simple this wire harness is. Even all your individual ones, it comes on these nice little disconnects, and they come into this little plug, which all you got to do is just plug in to the ballast port of your battery. Boom. This kit is red and yellow, and the nice thing is simple little nut that holds them on. You can easily mix and match some of the different ones, and just by one of these. It's weird. They're green. They look white in here, but these lights, I cannot believe how bright they are. When I got this guy, I was kind of surprised. I'm like, it looks kind of cheap. I was not expecting anything. It had a $15 price tag on it until I went to plug it in. And man, here we go. Oh, jeez. Do you honestly see how bright this thing is? I wonder if I can. Bad part is of course the cameras can't quite show you how bright this light is. And a lot of guys are wanting to do like the underglows or put these on the inside of the body, so you're getting a nice glow coming out of the bottom of your body. Then I also got a few sets for my rock crawlers. One set here they come with multiple plugs. This one, multiple lights. Geez, there's a couple, 2 whites, and I got 4 reds, a few orange or amber. You can wire these in so many different ways. And this guy was gonna go my buddy's Infraction. We're gonna run 4 tail lights here. But everything has got this nice little nut on here. Man, these things are awesome. And one of the other cool things is I got these 2 lights here. I was kind of wondering why these ones didn't come with the same plug that goes in the balance side of your battery. Now, these lights do require a 3S power. You need 11.1 volts. So you can either run it off of here, or if you're running like a 6S, you're gonna need to have a small 3S battery to power these. You can't put them in your receiver, it knocks down the volts. So you can either run a mini 3S, or if you're running dual 3Ss, you can just plug it into one port. And I also noticed these guys looked a little different. So when I just went to test these wires here by just putting them in here, these ones are strobes. Now, if I wire any of these other lights in with these guys, found out these will make all your lights go into strobes if you choose to. There are on their website, there are many, many different colors, different sizes, different combinations. I got more lights coming in. I'm going to be using these lights on all my builds, and all my builds I do for all my buddies and stuff that I post. I'm sorry that the camera does not give it justice on how bright these lights are. When you're used to getting little 5 mil little lights, when you can get up to 10 mil, even 12 mil, even, I mean, the sizes of some of these lights are going to be huge, which, if you see the nice opening right here, with that going in there, that's actually going to fill that up and actually look like a real lens, not something goofy little small light that kind of sticks out and looks all cheesy. So this is what I got going on. I'm going to try to get some of these things installed this evening or probably tomorrow, so I can actually show you guys what this thing looks like with the multiple different variety of colors. I'm going to try to shoot some pictures and videos with everything all red to try to do like a sinister look. Do some whites in the front, greens, just kind of do a kind of different looks so you guys can see what the bodies will look like. So I'll keep you guys up to date. Thanks.